that is Gauss-Jordan method. So we have seen Gauss elimination, we have seen Cholesky, and now we will go with Gauss-Jordan method. Now again this method we are going to use to analyze the linear system, that is equations, linear equations with two or three variables. Now in this, if you will see, then the main part in this, that we have to make matrix into diagonal matrix. What does it mean? So into diagonal matrix means I have to make order all are zero. So if I will show my matrix, if we have matrix is 3 by 3, and values, let us we have, that is a b c. Likewise, so if a b c, then d e f, and then g h I, then we have to make it by row transformation in such a fashion that my values should be in this way. So I should have these values, that is x 0 0 0 y 0, and then 0 0 z. And then against this, I have, let this value unknown variables are x1, x2, and x3. Then I will get directly this value, that is and equal to b, some constant pqr. Then I can get directly by first row and this first column, that is value of x1. By second we have value of x2, and by third we will get value of x3. So we will get values directly. We need not require to solve one, then put it in order, and then go for the third. Now actually we can say this Gauss-Jordan method is extension of your Cholesky method. In Cholesky method, we are going to be with upper triangular matrix, and then we have to extend it, and we have to make diagonal matrix. Now we have this example. Now you can see we have this will be 3 1 and 15 B matrix. So 1 2 and then 10 will be related with your B matrix. Then what we have to make? We have to make here 0 and here 0. So now what I will do first, I will take it up, because I want this. If I have this as 1, then it becomes easy for me to make other 0, that is row below it. So we will have this R1 to R2, and then we have 1 2 3 1, and then 10 15. Now what is my aim? So my aim is I have to make both these 0. So first I will make this 0. So by R2 is equal to R2 minus 3R1. So you can say this R2 is equal to R2 minus 3R1. So this becomes 0, and then this value 3 into 2 6. So this becomes minus 5. And then here we will go, then we have 10 into minus 3 plus 15, so minus 15. So you can see this. Then now we can divide this R2 by minus 5. So I will get it as 1, I will get it as 3. This first will remain as it is. So you can see over here. So I have actually, this should be minus 5. And now we have to make here 0. So we will multiply it by 2, and then 2 minus 2, it becomes 0. And 3 into 2, 10 minus 6, we will get 4. So we will have this. And now it becomes easy. So if I will write it in other way, then we will have this will be 1 0 0 1, and into we have this as x, this as y, and that is equal to 4 3. And as now here we have values as 1, so it becomes easy. 1 into x, which is equal to 4. So x we will get it as 4. And then 1 into y, that is equal to 3. So we will get value of y equal to 3. So this is extension. You can see if you will go by Cholesky method, then you have to solve till this portion only. Because here you have made upper triangle as 0. So we have to go steps below it for Gauss-Jordan method. So now you can see this. This was asked in May 2018. by the Gauss Jordan method. Now you can have this first part. So till your Cholesky method, so upper triangle becomes 0, we have same step. So you can see this. So now here we can have first step this. Now, so I have made this as 0. So this is 0, this is 0. Now what I have to make? I have to make this 0, I have to make this 0, I have to make this 0, I have to make this 0. And then we have to put only that will be your diagonal matrix. And then we can make this 0 by R1 minus R3 will be 0. And then we can have R2 minus R3. So we are going to make this 0 because 2 minus 2 0, this will be 1 minus 1 0. And therefore from this we are going to get this 0. Now our 0 we have to make for this and we have to make 0 for this. Now you can see this is minus 6 minus 18. So we will divide it, that is by minus 6, and we will get these values as 1 and 3. So this becomes 1, this becomes 3. Now it becomes easy for me to make it this 0. So simply by this R3 is equal to R3 minus R2, and that will make it 0. So now we have to make this 0, and here you can have 2, here you have 10. So you can divide it by 2, you will get 1, 5. Now it becomes easy, just you add this row in this row. So this becomes 0 because these values are 0. So this becomes 0. So 5 minus 4 becomes 1. So I will get 1, 3, 5. And then we have this will be your matrix. And then I can find these values. You can see directly will get these. Whatever values you are going to get, if this diagonal matrix, your values in the diagonal are 1, then you are going to get whatever B matrix you will have, finalized matrix, I will say. This matrix will give you value of x1, x2, x3. Because now here actually I have these values that is diagonal as 1. If I have this as 5, then I have to make in this fashion, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and then 0, 0, 1. And then I have this as x1, x2, x3. And then we have this is 1, 3, 5. And then we will get values of x1 as 1, x2 as 3, and x3 as 5. Now similarly you can go this problem which we have asked in examination here. Actually I have not mentioned over here, and in the same way. So first we are going to make it, that is upper triangle 0. Now here you can see, so we have these values. Now we will make R2 by 5. So you can see this. So that you have to actually understand when we have to divide it. Now you can see all elements in second row. So this is 0. So but this is, if you divide it by 5, then you will get it as 1. So if you will get this 1, then it becomes easy for you to make this 0 and this 0. As I have this as 1, so it becomes easy for me to make 0. So always rearrange the equation so that your first row or first equation with first term, if available, make it as 1 as first equation. So though we have given this equation as third equation, then also what we have made, we have rearranged it and we have taken this as 1. So you can see over here R1 to R3. And then from this I will get, if I will divide it by 5, now simply I can add this R2. If I will add this R2 in this, then this becomes 0. And if we will have R3 minus 6R2, then this becomes 0. So we have this 0, then others we can easily do it. So we can have this. Now what we have to go for? Now we have to make this as 0, we have to make this as 0. Now you can have this as 5, this as 15. So divide by 5. So we will get this will be. So I have made 2 over there. I made this as 0. How I will make this as 0? So I will add it in this way. So we will get this will be R1 plus R2. So this becomes 1 minus 1, 0. And this goes to minus 1 plus 1. And then we are going to get this value, that is 0. So I have this also 0 and this also 0 just by adding R2 in R1. And then we are going to get this as diagonally, equation you will get. Then we have R2 plus R3. Now if we will see this, so only one that was remained to make it 0, and that we have value that we have to make this as 0. And simply if I will add R3 in this equation, automatically this becomes 0 and I will get this as. Then I have these values as x1, x2 and x3 directly we will get because diagonal I got it as 1. And then we have this will be last, which is by Gauss Jordan, was asked in 2018. And then we have this will be, now first I made this as 1. That is most, but try to take this in this way that you have no decimals over there. Now, why I have not shifted this? If I will made it as divide it by 2, 1, 2, minus 3 and minus 2. Now it becomes easy for me. I can make this 2, 0 very easily by R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. So this becomes, these two becomes 0. And therefore, I have kept this as it is and divided by 2 gives me 1, 2 minus 3 and it becomes easy for me. So we can have this R2, R2 minus R1, R3, R3 minus R1. So these two are 0. And now we can have similar R2 is equal to R2 by 3 because we have all the terms in multiple of 3 if we will go row number 2. So that you should be very careful for while solving these problems. So you can have this will be 3, 6, 12. And then this becomes we have 1, 2, 4, and now it becomes easy for me to make these two as 0. So I can make this first row and second column this 0 and third row and second column this 0 by using this, that is R1 is equal to R1 minus 2R2 and R3 is equal to R3 minus R2. So my two terms become 0. And now we have to make this minus 7 and 2 as 0. But you can see here I have 3 over here, I have 3 over here, divided by 3. So it goes to 1, 1. And then if I will go, R2 is equal to R2 minus 2R3 and R1 is equal to R1 plus 7R3. So these two become 0 and we will get answer for the x1, x2, x3, x1 minus 3, x2 2 and x3 equal to 1. So likewise, we have to go for the Jordan method. So today we will stop for Jordan method here only. So remaining part we will see in the next lecture. So thank you.